the dead Joker. This is a short movie of my motorized mountain bike with electric start. I used a jack shaft in order to get the chain output onto the sprocket side so I could use all 7 speeds on the rear tire. Works really great. The engine is strong enough to start from a dead stop, and so far I've been up to about 25 miles an hour with it, and it's working pretty good. This is the chain arrangement from the jack shaft going down to the main sprocket. This is a view of the engine output down to the jack shaft. You can see I have a little cam follower in there as my chain tensioner. Works great. The lithium ion jumper pack has been giving me enough power to start the engine over 50 times, and I also run the LED lights off of it. This is a view of the headlight assembly. It's a 1200 luminous output LED headlight with its own battery pack located right over there, and the light has 3 settings, and of course the seat. You must have a good decent seat, otherwise your butt's really gonna get sore.